Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I actually want to start it off with a little giveaway. I thought that this would be a good time to start doing some of these. So for this giveaway, there will be two winners. One person will win a set of the press-on nails that I will talk about in this video, and one person will win a polygel kit. So to enter, all you have to do is leave a comment down below and make sure to leave your Instagram handle and be following me on Instagram. That way I can contact you. This is the easiest way that I know how, so I hope that this works for everyone. And I will leave all the info down below as well. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you two of the easiest way to do your own nails at home. I know that during this time a lot of people are finding themselves having to do their own nails, and so I want to show you the easiest ways that I know how, using stuff that you can just buy from Amazon to do your own nails. So I'm going to be showing you two different methods. One method is going to be super simple. Anyone can do it, no problem. And then the other will require a little bit more work, but still anyone can do it. It's just a matter of what your preference is. And so let's get right into that. The first method we're going to be doing is just regular old glue-on nails. Now, these glue-on nails are a little bit different from the ones that you will buy at, say, the drugstore, because these ones are a bit longer and they are just clear so that you can customize them to how you want. I've shown these quite a few times on my channel because I love them. This set of just glue-on nails here will run you, I think it's between $10 and $12 or $13, and this is almost all you need. You will need like a file and stuff like that, but those are usually things people have around the house anyway. Here is what the nail looks like. It's just a clear, and they also are straight, so they're not curved. They're just basic clear ones, and you can always chop these down too if they are too long for you. But they are just super basic, and I'm gonna show you all you need to do to put these on. So I'm gonna do one hand. I think that this nail is finally grown out enough to finally put stuff on it. And there are two different versions of these nails. So these ones right here are a lot straighter and a little bit more sculpted looking, and then there are these ones, which let me pull one out for you. They are a little bit more of a more natural ballerina shape. Both are good, it's just a matter of your preference. This one's more like coffin, this one's more like ballerina. These ones are probably better if you have flatter nails like me, but if you want them to look sculpted, you can absolutely use these ones. Again, it's just your preference. I'm going to use these ones today because I haven't used these ones in a long time, and I don't want to put too much stress on my nails right now. So I'm going to use these ones, which are better in my opinion for flatter nail beds. So you're just going to want to size these out and just see which ones are going to work best for you. The great thing about doing your nails this way is the shape is already there. They're already perfectly smooth, and they're only going to take you honestly like 10 minutes if you just want them done. I'm giving you both methods because some people want to do their nails, they want to file them, they want to shape them themselves, they want to do all that kind of stuff, and some people just want their nails just to be done. And so I want to give these two different ways so that it can work for anyone. So once you have your nails all laid out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push back your cuticles and rough up the surface of your nail. You can do this with a file, a buffing block, or if you absolutely don't have any of those things, just make sure that you strip your nail of all the oils by using either acetone or a dehydrator. We're going to do both of those things today. So I'm going to just start by pushing my cuticles back. You're just going to make sure to scrape off any of the cuticle left on the nail, because if it's on there when you're putting these nails on, it will make the nails lift. So then I'm just going to rough up my nails really lightly. Then you're going to want to take a dehydrator. I'm going to use this one from Nail Couture. Also, I did talk to him, we're fine. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use just acetone, or if you're in a pinch, nail polish remover. You just want to make sure that all of the oil is off of your nail. Make sure to get that all over your nail. Then the next step is just to put them on. So you're going to want to just get glue all over. I like to put it on the tip and not on my natural nail. I just find that it works better. And you're just going to want to put it down, and I do have to use a little bit more glue than you would think with these because they do have a little bit of space to fill in. Unless your nails are like super, super curved, you probably need to add just a little bit more, but this is how it should look. If you don't use enough glue, you might get a little bit of an air bubble like I have. I've found that that doesn't really affect the nails though, as long as it's not towards the edge. If it's like straight in the middle, it doesn't usually have, I don't usually have a problem with that. And ta-da, the nails are all on. So I'm not the biggest fan of the ballerina shape here, so I am going to file these. Like so. And then next, I'm just going to buff all of these out because I'm going to be putting gel on them. If you're going to just be putting nail polish, you shouldn't have to, but I am going to be putting gel. And if it's not buffed, it probably won't stick. So here are the nails all buffed and ready. I'm going to be using this Galaxy like cat eye gel from Nail Couture, and I have the magnet as well. I'm also going to be using my little mini lamp from a cart. So it just hit me now that I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do this over black. So I'll be right back. Actually, or you know what? Let's just see how it looks. Okay, no, I definitely think it's gonna need to be over black. Okay, back with the black. So I'm just gonna cure that. And like I said, you can totally just put nail polish over or leave them clear if you like clear, but I would recommend at least putting a top coat over the top. But yeah, this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to do your own nails at home if you just want them done. Soon after I paint these, we will move on to the polygel portion of this video. All right, now I'm gonna take the Galaxy gel. Oh, see, that is already so much prettier. That is so cool. How fun. I love this. Then I'm just going to cure that really quick and put a top coat. Cure again. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do that to every single one of these nails. You'll have to excuse my shakiness. This is my opposite hand, so. Okay, so I put some cuticle oil on and here they are all done. These probably took me, because I'm filming makes things take a lot longer, but they probably took me about half an hour. So you could probably get these done a lot quicker even if you wanted, or you could take your time, whatever. But this is this hand, so I hope you guys like this portion. Let's get into polygel now. So today I'm gonna be using this kit. I have no clue if I've used this kit in a video or not. I saw it sitting there and it's like already taken apart, but I don't know if I've used it. But it is the P73 kit, and we're gonna use this polygel today. So the second easiest way to do your own nails, in my opinion, is polygel with dual forms, because the dual form will give you a nice smooth top. You don't have to do much buffing or anything like that. So I will be using these dual forms, and I'm gonna do a nice natural set today, and I'm gonna use this coral shade. So you're going to want to start off by doing the exact same prep that I showed you earlier. Make sure there's no oil on your nails, push back your cuticles, and put your dehydrator on. I already put my base coat on because I'm just a little scattered today, and so I just did it off camera really quick. But here's my base coat that I have on. Then next, what we're going to want to do is get your first dual form. So I'm sizing all of the dual forms to my nails, and some of them might need to be customized a little bit. They might need to be like in between sizes, so I'm just doing that right now and filing out the edge of this because these are a lot more square than my cuticle is. My cuticle is more round, so I want to get these more round as well. So now that I have sized out my dual forms and I have my base coat on, I'm going to grab my polygel and I'm going to open it and I'm going to squeeze it on to the tip. Oh, this is the jelly kit. I got it. I remember now. And you're going to want to get your slip solution, which is usually a mix of either monomer and rubbing alcohol or just rubbing alcohol. You can use either. And you're going to want to press that evenly all over the nail form. I'm not going to do some super long ones today. I'm going to do some more natural ones. So I'm not going to take this up too high, but it should look about like this. Then I'm going to take my little mini lamp again and I'm just going to hold it like that. Then I'm going to just set this on my nail like so. And it should pretty much just stick like this. And then you cure it. Polygel is a good way if you do want to spend some time doing your nails. I know we all have too much time on our hands right now. So this can really help to maybe pass some time and have some fun doing it, have some fun learning. Then I'm just going to pop this off like so, and there is my nail. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for each of these again. You need less polygel than you think you do. You don't really need that much. A little bit goes a long way. If you start to get too much when you put it on, it'll start to squeeze out the sides. If you get the hang of it, you can easily do a set in like an hour. So there's that one, and we'll just cure this. If none of these are fitting your nails, something that I like to do is squish out and sort of push this end part right here down, and that'll make it a little bit wider if they're a little too curved for your nail. I have really flat nail beds, and so I have that problem a lot of the time. So if you're having that problem too, go ahead and just sort of flatten it a little bit, and that will probably help you a lot. Then I'm just going to pop that off, and here we go. Here's the next nail. Along with this kit, I will link a couple of kits that I recommend and that I think are good for beginners. Ones that already have the light and the forms and the brush and the slip solution and everything that you will need, opposed to just trying to guess and pick random things that you think you'll need. My favorite part is always popping off the form. I will also link some other in-depth polygel and press-on nail videos so you can continue watching those or whatever. And here are the nails. So now what we're going to want to do is file and shape these to how we want. So the thumb is pretty much the shape that I'm going for. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. The nice thing about polygel is the top is already smooth, so you don't have to worry about trying to get that like nice finished look. It's already done for you. So you just have to clean up the sides. I want these more natural looking today. You know, you don't have to buff out the surface, but I'm going to. If you're going to be putting regular like gel polish, anything other than a top coat, I would buff it out. Now I just washed my hands to get all the dust off, and now I'm just going to put a regular old top coat on top. And here are the finished nails. I hope you guys like this video. I hope that showing these two different sets of nails was helpful for you. I hope you guys are staying safe and sane during this time. If you do your nails and want to show me or anything like that, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I usually can catch it because I love to see what you guys do. So many of you are so talented. Please make sure to give this video a like if it was helpful. I really appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye!